Okay, now the second one. First one all got now. The full form of OMR is optical mark reader. Second one, which one of the following is the process of copying files onto a CD-ROM? CD burning. CD burning is the correct answer. Yeah, very good. CD burning, that is the correct one. Third one, the digital number means digits. 3, 10. Very good. The value 4, comma 5.6 and 7.5 are variable constants. Yeah, these are numbers and these are constants. The keyboard and mouse are the main dash devices, input devices. Why they are input devices? Why keyboard and mouse are the main input devices? No, these are input devices only because they are used to enter data in the computer. Like when you will press the key on keyboard, the data gets input into your computer, that is the CPU, and it gets displayed on the monitor. Okay? That's why these are the main input devices. Without these, you cannot work on computer. Without keyboard, you cannot do typing. And without mouse, you cannot open file easily, drag them, or do many other operations. Okay, na? Because cursor is continuously moving on the screen. It helps you in doing all the works on the computer. Second one, dash option is used to display files or folders in the form of icons. View option, very good. In how many types we can view our folders? In how many types? We can view our folders in many types like extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list icons, detail icons. So these are the different view options which are available. Okay. In binary addition, 1 plus 1 equals to 0 and carry 1. Correct now? In binary addition, 1 plus 1 equals to 0 and carry 1. Data type double copies dash by memory space. 8 bytes memory space. Very good. Then next question, mark tick for the right statements and cross for wrong statements. A dot matrix printer is an example of non-impact printer. False. Then dot matrix printer is an example of which type? Impact printers. Very good. You can change the view option in the title bar. Then where we will change? From where we can change the view option? Hmm. Menu bar. What do you say? Okay. To perform division on binary numbers, divide the number by 2. True. True, yeah, correct. While doing division or multiplication in both the cases, we divide the number by 2 only. Keywords are also called reserved words. True. Yesterday I studied. True, na? Yeah, yesterday only we studied. Yeah. So I hope the test paper first is filled of everybody and you will write these question and answers in your fair note also. We will talk about them. What is a peripheral device? Yeah. Yes. Hmm. No, that is correct, girl. Both are correct. Okay, correct that is. So the first question, what is a peripheral device? What is a peripheral device? Input and output devices are called peripherals. Okay? Input and output devices are called peripherals. Can you give me some example of peripheral devices? Yeah. Printer, mouse, keyboard, joystick, speaker, printer, monitor. These all are the examples of peripherals. Okay. Write the steps. Write the steps for viewing the properties of files or folders. How you will view the properties? Hmm. Very good. Very good. So, like making a right click on that, when we will click on properties, a dialog box will come. In that, we can see the properties of that file or folder. What is the size of that folder? When that folder was created? At what time? What is the location? Means where it is stored. Explain number system and its commonly used types. So we studied about number system, the binary digits, and we read about hexadecimal, decimal. Do you remember that? It was in the chapter number 3rd. If you recall, we studied this. Huh? Correct. And anything more about it? No. Hmm. Okay. And then this is your decimal number system. Decimal number system consists of digits 0 to 9 with the base 10. Second is binary number system. It consists of digits 0 and 1. Then next is octal number system that consists of 8 digits 0 to 7 with base 8. And then the fourth one is hexadecimal number system. This number system contains 16 symbols and therefore has base of 16. Correct? I think so in the chapter number 3rd you all got this answer. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Obviously, this you will write in your note. First one is what? What is a peripheral device? Input and output devices are called peripheral devices. Yeah, and then you have to write some examples like mouse, keyboard, monitor, speaker. These are the examples of peripheral. It's done. Okay.